there. You heard that? I got a nice voice, right? Just a little bit. You can talk to me, it's okay. You can talk to me. I'm gonna leave you alone. Let's go. Oh, he came right out. He's ready. Oh, he's coming. All right, okay. We'll see how much I have to factor in the battle. Go.
But I love you, yes I love you, and I want to take you back home. Well, it's because and houses.
Oh, what you gonna do, baby? That's all right, that's all right.
But I love you.
Oh, he's holding for the camera.
And I want to take you back home. Well, I can't.
Hey, let's go, brother.
You talk all day on the telephone, but I love you, yes I
Control
love
down.
you, and I want to take
Feeling it
you
right,
back
he's feeling it.
home.
Step 2, representing 12 Fuego. You gonna do it, guys. Oh! Let's go, Chris. Control, man. Ooh, nice one, brother. Nice. Oh, he said, oh, wait. Hey, don't touch it. Don't touch it. There's no fire in here. He said, I'm not done. Oh, hey, watch out. Well, Fuego is up. Fuego. Audience, y'all still here? That was a dope battle. You guys still here? Make some noise if y'all still here. All right, you want to woo? Come on, let's get do more than that. Give me some more noise if you're still here. Talking about. That's what I want to hear when you watch these battles, man. These guys are laying it out on the line. Like I said, I'm not saying you gotta levitate or nothing, but let's go, show some love, man. That was good energy right there. All right, judges. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Del Fuego. Good job, fellas. Good job.